Alright, so 319 trade recap and 320. So we're gonna do 319 first. Wednesday I traded US 30. I took two trades. It was a win. Pretty sure I won on both. Won both trades. Let me double check. Um, yeah, I won both trades. So one was 20, one was 80, so 100 for the day. And overall, the setups were fair value gaps. These are the setups. The first one was right here, and the second was right here. The rejection I made profit off of. I should have taken that, but made profit off the rejection. Overall, it was a good trade. I was patient. Set my break even pretty much immediately. Didn't aim for high profit because of previous consolidation. I had a tight stop loss and I was overall calm. I paid attention to the trend of each session, especially how to improve. My bad. Pay attention to the trend of each session because London might decide where New York will go, or London will set up like a target or like a retracement or something, and keep it tight SO. Continue to be calm and just let your take profits be hit. Like, don't pull out early. Reasoning behind my trade: fair value gap fill, high time frame fair value gap. It was above the 50% line. Went with my daily bias. It was at the right time, 9:30, and it swept Asian high and a 4-hour high. My note to self: just pay attention to London and only enter off full fills. Don't enter off a like a not a full fill. Then we come into today, which we have today's trade right here. Thursday, I traded US 30. I took two trades. Both fair value gap fills, 1 to 2s. I lost the first one, which was right here. I had entered right when it filled, and as you can tell, price did not go down at all. It just kept pushing up. I I should have been more patient and let price go down. Like, I should have waited to see rejection, but also probably shouldn't have taken that when there was way more. There was better things to tape deeper inside the retracement. So like the 1 hour, the 4 hour imbalance, and then there's also like the London high up here, the previous day high. It took so many targets, so entering off this was just pretty stupid. Um, but and I just wasn't noticing the rejection, and I should have been more patient and not executed because price was going deep. And then the second trade, which I won, was right here. I had entered exactly at the top of that, and I profited off the rejection. A 1 to 2, I was risking 40, and I made 80. So I price went deep into the high time frame fair value gap, and I profited off the rejection. Overall, price didn't go to TP2, which was 120, but it hit TP1. And how to improve for next time: focus more on direction and trend, because today's the second day I was wrong about my daily bias. And keep being calm and notice changes in the market and adapt to it. Be patient and wait for more rejection, and realize price had way more daily targets than just a gap. And overall, I could have been just a little bit smarter about the situation, but I still profited. I'm still up. I lost 20, made 80, so that was about $60 in profit. And the max I risked today was 60. So I guess you could say it was just a 1-to-1 day, which actually, thinking about it, probably isn't that good. But An optimal play would have been this right here. But price didn't go below. So it was about, let me see, 10 points off from making me enter a long position. And that would have been the best play of the day. The second best play would have been this when price swept Asian highs and then rejected down. Otherwise, not much. Price disrespected both fair value gaps today, which bit unexpected. Maybe that means we're gonna have a structure shift, but overall, I was still able to capitalize. And yeah, we're definitely gonna have a structure shift, and we're probably gonna be looking at an uptrend now. Well, we've actually been on an uptrend for a little bit. So yeah, my daily bias probably should have been logs. Looking back at it, so that's a lesson learned, but that's about all. So see you again Friday.